Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Remove the sealing of the footwell. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 5 easily accessed screws. There is an additional 6th one in the corner. Use a flathead screwdriver to slowly pry off the clip. Pry off the side panel. Remove the corner screw. Grab and pull on the glove box to release the tabs from the catch so you can remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Pop off the wire clip. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1087 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door by sliding the left tab in first. Then, press on the right side until the lock clicks into place. Reinstall the wire clip. Reinstall the sensor. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Reinstall the bottom screws. Reinstall the side panel. Reinstall the push clip by threading the ends in and screwing in the tab. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box. Reinstall the footwell panel. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.